See, this would never happen with a metal hose.
Today we're going to show you the differences between a stainless steel metal hose that's weatherproof, you can bury, versus an old school heavy duty solid rubber hose. I'm going to explain to you why I chose the metal version. Let's get into the video. Here's a stainless steel kink-free metal hose. You get an extra 2 O-rings, heavy duty brass connectors,
and this is a Jeff-like sump pump, and it's a standard 3/4 inch garden hose connector.
While this hose is kink-free, let's be honest, it is metal, so it will dent. If you drop a hammer on it, if you drive over it, it will dent. This is metal, therefore there is a possibility near the brass it can untangle. So be careful with the hose, but for the kink-free, it's worth it.
So now we're going to be using this in our swim spa. This one does have a floater switch right here, right? So if it senses there's water, it's going to turn on automatically. You can see how it just does not kink because it's metal, so it's not going to bend in too many ways. Yeah, so the end has another 3/4 inch, so this can piggyback onto another hose as well, so that's great. So we're going to go and attach another one, so then you can take this one and then we can piggyback it right over this one. The connectors completely work with each other. So how do these compare against the old school garden hoses? Like that one, well, they will kink and you can't stop the water flow if you really want to do this, but then this would also stay, see? And they're heavy, they're very heavy. Ultra light, does not kink, there is a little flexy to it. You're not gonna get a full 90 degree, but it's pretty decent. Whereas the rubber hoses, you can see that they're gonna restrict the flow here. Now in terms of the water traveling through this or the metal hose, it's identical. The odds of these leaking is super low. They have strong brass connectors. You can bury these on the rocks. You can bury these in the ground, and you don't have to essentially worry about absolutely any penetration. Not to say that you have to worry about with the rubber hoses. They're heavy, hard to maneuver, and definitely not flexible. The only thing is that they are a little more expensive, but again, so that's the video. I prefer the metal ones if you have the budget. Otherwise, you can always stick with the rubber ones. Thanks for watching.